Bonjour. Okay, so for your assignment, you're going to go into your Google Classroom, and you'll see you have an assignment called Il s'appelle and Elle s'appelle. The first thing you need to do is complete the Google form to practice Il s'appelle and Elle s'appelle. So if you go to the Google form here, it says all answers should be written in French besides the first two questions. Okay, so first question, what's your name? You're just going to put in your name, normal, first and last name. What period do you have? French, blue or white, mariner or compass? You answer those. And then it says, Comment t'appelles-tu? So if you don't remember what that means, you're going to have to look back in the Google slide presentation, which is in your Google Classroom. And that means, what's your name? So you need to answer this in French. You're not just, if I was doing this, I wouldn't just write Madame McKee. I want a complete sentence from you guys. So you'd have to say, Je m'appelle Madame McKee. Obviously, you won't write Madame McKee, you'll write your own name. And then I did these for another class. Let's skip to this one. All right. And then it has a couple questions asking either comment s'appelle-t-il or comment s'appelle-t-elle? What's his name? What's her name? Okay. So this says comment s'appelle-t-il? What's his name? You're not just going to write Bart Simpson. You're going to write his name is Bart Simpson, and you're going to write it in French, right? That's the whole point. We're practicing Il s'appelle and Elle s'appelle. Il s'appelle Bart Simpson. Okay. Comment s'appelle-t-elle? Then we'd write Elle s'appelle. Elle s'appelle Cinderella. Okay. So for all these pictures, you're going to write Il s'appelle or Elle s'appelle in their name. And then on the very bottom, it says, how do you say what is his name? How do you say what's her name? So these are the questions we've seen over and over again in this Google form, right? So you want to make sure you spell it correctly. So just look above, comment s'appelle-t-il? And then you would type that down below. What's her name? Comment s'appelle-t-elle? All right. This is just for practice. It's not graded, but I am checking to make sure that you do it. So you'll submit it when you're done. Then you'll go back to Google Classroom. And you're going to start a project that we're starting today and finishing next class. So we're going to add on to it next class. So you'll submit it to me when you're finished this part, when you finish this part of it, and you'll get graded on this part of it. And then next class, you're going to add to this very same document. So don't delete it or put it in the trash. You need to keep it because you're going to add to it next time. All right. So you're going to make a little poster with 6 pictures of people or animals. 3 must be boys and 3 must be girls. You may choose to include photos of your pets, friends, cartoons, TV show characters, sports players, anime, teachers, etc. Get creative. You should include pictures of things that you're interested in. It makes it way more fun when you're working on projects like this. Mine was about, what do you think? Goats. So I was having fun when I did this. Because you all know I love goats so much. So for each photo, all you're doing is writing their names. So you're going to write Il s'appelle and the name of the person or animal in the photo if it's a boy, and then Elle s'appelle and the name of the person or animal in the photo if it's a girl. Okay? So 3 boys, 3 girls. And I think I can show you mine here. Will this open? Yes. All right. I don't think it lets me make it bigger on here. But I have my girls on the left-hand side, the boys on the right-hand side. It says Elle s'appelle Pois Chiche, Elle s'appelle Gloria. I put Je m'appelle Madame McKee, Elle s'appelle Tatiana. Il s'appelle Willie Nelson, Il s'appelle Sawyer, Il s'appelle Ronan. Okay. I didn't do a great job using font color. Can I speak? Font color that showed up well on the photo. So please try to do a better job than I did because it's kind of hard for me to read this. So I'd appreciate it if you used a font that was easy for me to read. All right. So this is what we'll be doing next time. And then next time you're going to be adding 2 more sentences per photo. All right. So keep space for that and don't delete this project when you're done. Okay. I think that's it. Au revoir.